Now it's time to put the handle on. You'll have a lock set similar to this. It's a Larson. Some are flat, some are curved. You have an outer piece, the keys. This is a handle that already has the spindle attached. The inner piece, incidentally, you have these little black things. Push them down as far as they will go, because they will hold the screws into place, kind of like that, so they don't flop around. And then here is the interior handle. Incidentally, you can swap the interior and exterior handle. If you have the curved version, you want the curve to go the other way, it doesn't really matter. So in this case, I'm going to take the outer stretching, the outer piece, and I am putting the door handle on like so. And we're just going to shove this into the door. Now the outer handle's on. Pretty simple, right? Now we're going to open the door, grab the inner piece, and because we moved those black screws, we're going to align this hole so that the lock lines up, shove the screws in here, and tighten everything down.